Hello viewers, welcome to Smarty channel. Today I have come up with another trick of Vedic Maths by using which you can do complex calculations very easily, that too without using pen and paper. So let's start the session today. So in today's session, I'll show you how to multiply any number, whether an even number or an odd number, with 15. First, I will show you how to multiply a even number with 15. Then we'll go to the odd numbers. Okay. So for example, on the screen you can see 18 into 15. I want to multiply 18 into 15. So 18 is a even number. So what you do is first find the half of 18. Half of 18 is 9. So add this 9 to the number 18. So 18 plus 9 is 27. 18 plus 9 is 27. So because 18 is a even number, put 0 in the units place of the answer. So always remember one thing: when you are multiplying a even number with 15, the units place of the answer will always contain 0. The units place of the answer will always contain 0. So this is the required answer. So 18 into 15 is equal to 270. Let us take another example. 36 into 15. Find half of 36. Half of 36 is 18. Add 18 to this 36. 36 plus 18 is equal to 54. Put this 54 as it is and put one 0 in the right side. Because 36 is a even number, the units place of the answer will always contain 0. Now let us take another example. 104 into 15. So put 0 in the right portion of the answer. Now find half of 104. Half of 104 is equal to 52. So add 52 to this 104. 104 plus 52 will give you 156. So this is the required answer. So 104 into 15 is equal to 1560. Now let us take another example. 112 into 15. 112 is an even number, so put 0 in the units place. Now find half of 112. 112, half of 112 is 56. Add this 56 to 112. 112 plus 56 will give you 168. 168. So this is the required answer. So 112. So 112 into 15 is equal to 1680. 112 into 15 is equal to 1680. It's as simple as this. So we have seen how to multiply even numbers with 15. Now let us see how to multiply odd numbers with 15. So on the screen you can see 19 into 15. 19 is a odd number. So whenever you are multiplying an odd number with 15, the units place of the answer will always contain 5. So put 5 in the units place of the answer. Now you subtract 1 from 19. Subtract 1 from 19. 19 minus 1 is 18. Find half of 18. Half of 18 is 9. Now add this 9 to 19. So 19 plus 9 will give you 28. 19 plus 9 will give you 28. So this is the required answer. So 19 into 15 is equal to 285. Now let us take another example. 53 into 15. So 53 is the odd number. So put 5 in the units place of the answer. Now subtract 1 from 53. 53 minus 1 is 52. Find half of 52. Half of 52 is 26. Now add this 26 to 53. 26 plus 53 is equal to 26 plus 53 is equal to 79. So this is the required. So 53 plus 26 is equal to 79. So 795 is the required answer. So 53 into 15 is equal to 795. It's as simple as this. Now let us take another two examples. We have 109 into 15. Because 109 is a odd number, put 5 in the units place of the answer. Now subtract 1 from 109. 109 minus 1 is 108. Find half of 108. Half of 108 is 54. Add this 54 to 109. 109 plus 54 will give you 109 plus 54 will give you 163. So 163. Put 163. So this is the required answer. So 109 into 15 is equal to 1635. 1635 is the required answer. Now let us take a last example. 147 into 15. So 147 is the odd number. So put 5 in the units place of the answer. Subtract 1 from 147. 147 minus 1 is 146. Find half of 146. Half of 146 is 73. Add these 73 to 147. 147 plus 73 will give you 147 plus 73 will give you 140 plus 60 is 200 to 147 plus 73 will give you 150 plus 70 220. 150 plus 70 is 220. So this is the required answer. So 147 into 15 is equal to 2205. 147 into 15 is equal to 2205. It's as simple as this. So I hope you like this session. Okay, so if you really like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon and post your comments to encourage us. In future, I'll be coming with more such sessions. Thank you for patiently watching my video, and don't forget to share this video to your friends. So have a nice day and all the best for your future. Thank you.